Hello everyone. In this part, we'll be discussing the questions carrying 2 marks from the chapter The Rat Trap. The reason that I'm not giving you the hints for these questions is that you can screenshot the slide and make an assignment of your own for the questions of 2 marks. Because यही questions हैं जहाँ पे marks कटते हैं and these questions require precise points. So you could screenshot the slides and preserve them for further practice. And you could refer to this video for the answers so that you could cross check what you have done, how was your performance. And this is one of the most interesting and the important chapters, so you should definitely do that. The first question is, why did the crofter show the 30 kroner to the peddler? The obvious reason for the crofter showing the 30 kroners to the peddler was that obviously he was lonely. He had no one to share this happiness with. He had no one to tell that look, I have made 30 kroner by selling my cow's milk. He was so happy that he had gathered 30 kroners, and he had no one to share this proud feeling with. This is the reason why he displayed the 30 kroners to the peddler, despite him being a stranger. This was the first time he came into contact with a human with whom he could share his feelings with. This might be the reason that the crofter showed the 30 kroners to the peddler. Next question is, briefly describe the vagabond of the rat trap. The first quality of the rat trap was that he was philosophical. We come to know that from the thought cycle that he was into because of the world being a rat trap. Secondly, he was lonely. He didn't have a place which he could call home, and he roamed here and there. And the moment that he found home in the iron master's house, he felt so safe that he slept a sound sleep. He only woke up to eat, and then he slept again. He woke up and ate, and then he slept again. So this is the level of comfort he gathered in a house, because he felt that yes, this is the first time I'm safe. This is the first time where I do not have to worry about my next meal, gathering money for my next meal, or gathering some food for my next meal. So this shows us that he was so lonely and he was so underprivileged. And fourth is that we come to know that he was a person capable of change, because the kindness shown by Miss Edla, it changed him completely. The fact that he returned the 30 kroner that he stole from the crofter is enough for us to say that. The next question is, what doubts did Edla have about the peddler? So the moment Edla is sent to bring the bring Ironmaster's comrade to his home, she realizes that this person whom her father has mistook for his comrade, he is wrong. Either he has escaped from a prison, or he has stolen something and he is escaping. These are the two inferences that she makes. She had doubts about the peddler, that he was not educated, and he was not obviously he was not a army man. If she says that yes, I feel that he might not have stolen something, but I'm definitely sure that he's not an ex-army man, which my father has mistook him for. The next question is, did the peddler respect the confidence reposed by him by the crofter? No, the peddler didn't respect the confidence reposed in him by the crofter, because he stole the money in the pouch that was hung by the crofter on the side of his window. He stole the money, and he became proud of the fact that he escaped into the forest. He didn't realize, and he didn't stop for a second to realize that how much the crofter had done for him. So this tells us that he broke the confidence reposed in him by the crofter. Next question, why did the iron master speak kindly to the peddler and invite him home? So this happens because Ironmaster mistook him for an old comrade, that is Niels Loof. He wanted to do something for his old friend, and he wanted to uplift him out of this bad situation. So that is why he spoke kindly to the peddler and invited him home. Next question is, what made the peddler think that he had indeed fallen into a rat trap? Now the fact that it was growing dark, and he had lost his way, he had nowhere to go, and he had stolen the money. He was escaping from the police, he was escaping from the public highway, and now when the moment he entered the forest, he got lost. This made him think that he had indeed fallen into a rat trap. This was the punishment that he is being given for stealing the crofters' money. The punishment that he himself has fallen into a rat trap, which he was talking about. Question 7. What made the peddler accept Edla Williamson's invitation? So Edla's kindness and the level of persuasion, her kind words, her persuasion level, it made the peddler accept her invitation and not her father's invitation. The next question is, why did the peddler sign himself as Captain Von Stale? So in the ending of the first video where I said that he had signed him as Captain Steinvogue, that was wrong. He had signed him as Captain Von Stale. So why had he signed himself as Captain Von Stale? Because now he felt that he was worthy of being called as a captain. He had changed. He had brought himself out of this worldly rat trap. That is why he felt that he should sign himself as Captain Von Stale. And in honor of Edla, who treated him like a captain, this is also the reason that he signed himself as Captain Von Stale. The next question is, why did Peddler derive pleasure from his idea of the world being a rat trap? Now the peddler derived pleasure from this idea because no one was ever kind to him. The privileged people, especially the privileged people, they were not kind to him. And the fact that he thought bad of them, it made him pleased. It made him derive pleasure from this act. Because no one was kind to him, he himself became bitter. He started thinking bad of life and the people in it. So the reason that nobody was kind to him, nobody ever saw him with the eyes full of respect. This is the reason he derived pleasure from the fact that world is a rat trap. World is nothing but a rat trap which is there to set baits for other people.